help me clean my 3D printer. I've let it sit for a while with this old print on it and a whole bunch of resin still in the vat, so let's get that cleaned out. I use that bucket in the back for my resin infected things I'll set out in the sun later to cure. Make sure when you do this part you have a small amount of resin that covers the bottom layer, or else it won't all solidify. Cleaned my vat in here after taking out that solid piece of resin. This is just to get off the excess resin, or most of it, and then I'm also going to throw my build plate in here to clean that off as well. And this is when I knew I messed up. So there's a buildup of old resin and isopropyl alcohol underneath my vat film, so I'm gonna have to take that out and replace it. If you made it this far in the video, you might as well like, comment, and subscribe. You want to make sure the film is even on all sides before putting the back plate on. Here, just use an X-Acto knife to cut off the excess film. Don't forget to re-level your printer after you reassemble your build plate.
You're kind of a piece of shit, but I still feel like you, despite being